I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Audiolab. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Audiolab and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your